What's up, Chooch? Partials paid today. Today, the partials paid. They got really choppy, really sloppy towards my final TP. How's the video doing? Yeah, let's go. What's up, Lala? Sorry, guys. I got stopped out of my trade a minute ago. Missing because of position sizing. Thank you. Today, the partials paid. I know it looks like very sloppy, but this was actually really precise for me. Gave me an opportunity to re-enter, to be honest, but how many times am I really going to re-enter before it edges my TP? Get people up in here. Honestly, I like going live. Yo, what do you guys think about the new background, by the way? Ooh, that's clean. Past my fund days, added another 2. Nice, bro. That's amazing, man. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. That's amazing. Bro, I am depressed. So I can trade or not. What does that even mean? Why can't you trade? I don't get it. Are you depressed because you can't trade? Is that what you're saying? Or are you depressed and you're asking if you can trade or not? Would have stopped you break even. You're talking about this inversion? 1018? You're late. I wasn't trading live, bro. I traded off stream today. So we're doing a recap. Yesterday and today I traded off 1004. Oh, that's the one that I took. That's the one that I took. Why? I think I can trade better off live. You know? Unfortunately. But if you're in the Discord, you saw me call everything. Literally exactly what I said, man, literally played out today. Like literally everything. Except the TGIF, but that's later, obviously. I said that was going to happen later, probably. Looking for a continuation right here. Silver bullet would be A+. 10 a.m. PO3. This IFEG would be nice. I was talking about this IFEG right here. Any trades today? How many trades? It looks sloppy, but it's pretty much the same trade. It's 3 trades. So I'll recap. We ended up closing twice. 2 wins and 1 break even. Two losing trades today. Did you take longs or shorts? Good stuff. Yeah, I think I managed pretty well. I know it may look like I was over trading or gambling, but it really wasn't. I was just managing my positions, looking for the same trade. It just kept edging my TP, you know? We got edged right here. This was my final TP. And you know what? I was literally like hovering the close button. I was like, I want to close it. Like let me just, whatever. Let me just stick to it. Because I was like, it's so close. No, we didn't take any losses. It was so close to my TP, man. And I was like, should I just close it? Like, am I going to greed for 2 points? And I was like, you know what? Let me just let it hit the TP. And then it actually did not hit. So, kind of an L by me, but yeah, I really should have just closed it at the high there. I've been doing better off stream. So far, yeah. So far, we are undefeated. Why does first FVG is that one? Where else would it be? It's the first one. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Nothing, boom, first one. How do you put those words at the top? It's an indicator, 952. Yeah, I guess you could use 952, but it's so small. 952 is so small, I wouldn't use that. Oh yeah, we definitely knew this was gonna be sloppy today. That's why I was instantly looking for partials. You took 2 wins, dog. Why mad? No, I'm not mad. You already live? I already finished trading today. The reason I'm not mad, but it's because when I was trading this live, I was looking for my final TP right here, high of day, and I was hovering the close because I was like, it's so close and it's like edging. So I was like, I should just close it. Like, am I gonna get greedy for 2 points? But then I was asking myself, is it greedy or is it like fear? You know? So I was like, let me just hold it, and then it actually ended up reversing, which is funny. Then I actually, so price came back down and we had this strong candle. So what I did was I added positions and then trailed my stop to break even because I entered from all the way here, so I could put my stop up. So I was like, oh yeah, this time for sure. And then we actually got stop break even there. And then we had this set up on the 15-second. I was like, oh, this is the one. And then I got stop break even here. The reason I broke even was because this inversion. So I was like, I'm just going to put it there. And if it stops me, I'll stop trading. So same idea, same long I took here. Same long I took here, closed some here at this high, and then it came back down. 10 a.m. first presentation. I entered off the inversion, closed some at the. There's like some buy side right there, and then I was gonna hold runners, but then this kind of wicked us out. What happened yesterday? Yesterday was 2 wins. Yesterday was a lot cleaner than today. Today we did take a win. We took 2 wins, but they were both 1R. So it added up to 2R. You trade better without live. There was a decision I made today that I don't think I would have made on live. And that's this long I took right here. I probably would have closed it manually, I feel like. Because I held this through some drawdown, I'm not going to lie. But I knew it was going to go higher. But I felt like maybe I would have closed or broke even. Because, I don't know, the persuasion from chat. And then here I took a partial. Sorry, here I closed the position at 1R. Because of the sloppiness and 10 a.m. was coming. And I feel like I maybe would not have done that on live. Because people would have been like, why are you closing 1R, blah, blah. Like, I don't want to think about that, you know? And then I re-entered here and I re-entered here. That's like, these decisions I can't make. But this is how I like to trade, you know? I like to be nimble. I like to navigate it like this. Like, get a good entry, close. If it comes back to a level that I expected not to, I know it's going to probably offer a re-entry. So I can partial there and then leave a runner, blah, blah, blah. Like, stuff like that, you know? But, like, it's hard to explain that to others when they're watching you. This is starting to look like a seek and destroy. Dynamic risk reward. I think for anyone who hasn't traded on their own, like if you don't have a clear system, yeah, it's good. Yeah, I think it's good. What's your favorite type of cheese? I don't know. Cheddar, mozzarella. I don't know. PPS we might take ratings out. You know why? How did you know that PA was gonna be sloppy? As soon as I saw this at open, no clean manipulation, no imbalances. It started wicking at the buy side too. Like you just as soon as you see that kind of signature, you're like, when there's a lack of imbalances, just know price is gonna most likely seek and destroy. Why? Because there's no imbalances. So think about it. If price is gonna move higher or lower, you know what? We should probably do a video on this. So someone in chat asked me, how did I know it was gonna be sloppy? It's because price can only move for 2 things, liquidity or imbalances. And if we're lacking in formation of imbalances, then you know it's likely to be sloppy. Meaning we're going to continuously seek buy side and sell side because there are no imbalances, at least not as much as you would like to see, right? Look at all this wicking. So if price is going to come up and take buy side, there's no imbalances here. So you know it's going to come back and take sell side, you know? That's kind of the idea. There's kind of a lack of imbalances. This kind of sloppy behavior is typical. If you want to watch the trade recap, follow. Yeah, I'm going to make a trade recap. Should I just do it right now? Just passed my 50K eval, funded my brother. Let's fucking go, man. Proud of you. Partials paid today. Yeah, partials paid today for me. But I still made a mistake. I should have closed it here, man. My instinct was telling me to close. How do you check execution on Top Step? Top Step X. Top Step X. I'll show you. You click the preferences button. You gotta click preferences. Should I do a trade recap here, guys, or should I do it later? You trade ICT? Yeah. Later. London high still didn't get taken. Yeah, I expected it too as well. It edged us. What's up, Burrito? You see longs or short? I would look for longs. You took one beer caving and one win. Nice, bro. Valentine's Day? I'm gonna go to dinner with my girl. You think learning, trading, and being profitable is still something a newbie can start? Yeah, of course, bro. What made you think that you can't? Still bliss. Went long this morning, got edged anywhere else. Yeah, man, I got edged twice. I got edged here, re-entered here, got edged, but luckily we managed to manage our position as well. Every single time I'm broke even, it would have stopped me out, so I'm glad I kept my positions nimble. Exactly how I like to trade these type of conditions. Don't listen to those people, bro. If you put in the work and you don't quit, you can't fail. 948. You entered at 948. Not bad, not bad. Me and my friend want to do it together, but want to merge after getting the minimum to DT. What's DT? You live in a separate house? What do I mean, do I live in a separate house? Yo, by the way, guys, all I'm gonna say is, look at this short on crude oil. All I'm gonna say is, I don't know if anyone trades crude oil, but short looks good. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say we called that. You trade gold, oil, etc. Rarely, to be honest. Oh, day trade? You guys should do it, bro. I don't think you should wait on your friend. Fuck your friend, bro. If you're ready to start, start today, right now, bro. Start today, right now. I know you have a snow day or something. I know you do. So literally start right now, bro. What? Oh, I can't believe you're still waiting, bro. I've been holding long since 9:40. God damn. This is not a bad long idea either, by the way, but I'm not doing this anymore. I'm done. I'm done. How many? What happened to my executions? Oh. Second trade, what's the minimum capital to start? Bro, you only need, there's prop firms. So there's like accounts you can get that you pay like $50 and then you get like a challenge account. And if you pass, you get funded. You don't have to put in your own money to make a lot of money. Realistically, with $200, I'm not joking. With $200, you can literally make unlimited. I'm not saying it's like a get rich quick scheme. Obviously, you're probably going to lose because, you know, emotions and you think you're ready and you're not and all that stuff, but long in the macro. I don't think I'm going to go for another long, but we can outline one, and I do like this. It's a nice breaker, CISD. This is probably going to deliver the highs inside the 1050 macro. Classic seek and destroy stuff. We took 2 wins today and a 1 break even, but they were both small wins. We managed to secure like 2R just so. But we got edged at our final TP, so it's not like we're taking bad trades. We kind of, our TP was here. Because someone explain what funded accounts are and how to get them. Basically, you go to a prop firm. And a prop firm is, you can get an account from them. It's a challenge account. You should listen to this too, Enya, because this is what you're probably going to do, unless you want to put like a couple thousand into a live account. A prop firm is a firm where you can get a trading account challenge. Basically giving you a trading account, a fake one with fake money, and they say, oh, if you can accomplish these goals on the account. For example, make a certain money, don't lose a certain amount of money, stay consistent for like a certain period of time. Sometimes a couple days, sometimes it has to be a week, depending which account you get. Once you do that, if you pass that challenge that they give you, then you get a funded account. And with a funded account, any profits you make in the market, they'll pay you for. So you don't actually have to put in your own money. I have a 10K budget. The thing is, I don't know how to start. Who shall I listen to? Internet is overwhelming. A lot of people, I'll tell you straight up right now. There's basically, you have to pay. Yeah, you have to pay to get the funded account. Yeah. Well, obviously, otherwise it would literally be free money. You pay for the challenge. This is how it works. You pay a small fee for the challenge. If you pass that challenge, then you pay an activation fee for the funded account. Once you have the funded account, you can start making money from the markets. And it's like, in total, assuming you don't blow the account, in total, you probably spend like $200. No CRT. I've been trading off stream for a bit. I'll probably keep trading off stream until I have a losing day. I think that's a good idea. Because like if I just keep winning, bro, you don't need good mentorships. Honestly, bro, the best thing you could do is watch ICT 2022 mentorship on YouTube for free. That's the best thing you can do. Look at this long, man. It's really nice. Something like this. I wouldn't do 2JR, man. That's just me, though. Would you recommend me to get a funded my capital? Yes. I would 100% recommend that. Did your trades actually get put in actual market, or is it like demo unfunded? It's demo. It's what's it called? You're on simulation accounts. So you're not trading a live account when you get a funded account. It's all fake trading. I use dynamic. I don't have a fixed risk to reward. Yep, Hello Choppy, definitely seek and destroy. For funded accounts. Yeah, if you get a funded account, then you're trading not real money. What's up, Zach? Been a minute since I joined. What's up, bro? How you been? Are you even profitable? I mean, last year I was. Not the best. Could have been a lot better. Inner Circle Trader, yeah. Yo, Enya, just message me on YouTube. Message me on Discord, bro. And I don't know if you want to trust me, but I think I can give you a really good path to follow before you can get manipulated by everyone else. Yeah, message me, bro. I got you, bro. We're up 400 today on the accounts. Only 2R. So all this was only 2R. It would have been like 6R, but we got edged at our final TP, so. I view this as one trade, to be honest. Like, I know most of you guys, like, yeah, it's multiple trades, but it's the same trade idea. I'm just being nimble with the market. I'm taking partials and re-entering. 10 a.m. power 3 almost took us to all-time high. Yeah, I was looking for that too. Been a rough year so far. For me, yeah, honestly, it kind of has been too. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this week has been good for me. Not this week, these last 2 days. I've been trading off live and I've been doing pretty good. Do you train for a living or how? What is the most shot? No, it's not my full-time income. I'm not at that level yet. But what's the most challenging thing? It's gonna come down to your psychology, bro. And I know that sounds like so cheesy, but if you continue this, you'll figure that out for yourself. It's really gonna come down to whether or not you can master yourself. It's really easy to be taught or to learn the tools required to make a lot of money. Anyone can learn or possess the tools to be very profitable. That's not the hard part. Anyone can learn. It's not a hard thing to learn. My girlfriend learned. Like, she doesn't trade, but like, we spent like 2 weeks together. I taught her some ICT stuff. Like, she learned. It's really not hard to have the tools. Most people have the tools to be consistently profitable. It's just about, can you use them? You know? It's literally just come down to, in theory, anyone can be profitable. In application live markets. Any reason why you stopped going live on market open? Yeah, I think I can trade better off stream. So I'm putting that to the test. So far, We've taken 0 losing trades and 4 total winning trades. I tried meme coins. Everyone was saying how easy it is and what you get early in. Well, meme coins is not easy. Those guys don't lie. The only reason it looks easy because all you see is wins. Not a single person loses. Each trade was 1R, so we actually only closed 2R today. But like I said, we did get edged. Like my final TP was right here. It was like 2-ish points away. So if we did hit that final TP, we would have been up like 6, 7R. You think your trade better option because you're less afraid of looking bad? I think that's a part of it. I think part of it is being hesitant because I don't want to take a bad trade or be judged. And I think part of it is I also sometimes feel like I need to take a trade because people are watching. But that actually makes sense. I don't think it's actually the distraction, you know? For me, I don't really care what the chat says. It's not really about the text or it's not about focus. I don't need much focus. I know exactly what I'm looking for. It's like a checklist. Like, I don't need focus to say what's 5 plus 5, you know? Like, that's basically what this is. And there you go. Our final TP is going to be hit. Shorts? No, I'll look for longs. I think it's 5R. Sometimes I trade Asia, but rarely. I'm just updating the Discord here. My bad, guy. 1 sec. Um, yeah, Discord's free, man. Why do market orders always slip so much? How does it work on fundeds too? Are you trading futures or forex? Maybe you should keep this up. It would both benefit you and people inside Discord. Keep this up. Keep what up? Oh, I think so too. I mean, wouldn't you guys rather me take better trades off stream and then teach you what I saw live? And I'm making way better calls too, right? We pretty much called every single level. I don't know who's actually paying attention to these calls, but if anyone was, you would have. I literally called out the exact fair value gap that's gonna form, and then how it delivered. Yeah. It's tough there. You kind of just have to market by this. It's kind of sorry, I don't want to say obvious breakaway gap, but it's not a breakaway. It's actually a BPR. So, believe it or not, this is a balanced price range because we worked through it multiple times, right? So ideally, we don't fill that. And there's your final TP. So obviously, quite upsetting. I basically tried getting this final objective twice. Both times it edged us. But it is what it is, brother. I have a live account. I'm currently using MetaTrader 5 on a switch to what this is you trade. How do I do that? Well, if you want to trade, you're saying you want to trade futures instead of Forex? Is that what you're saying? I took 2 trades today. They were both 1R. We did get edged on our final TP, which was London highs. We got edged, man. And you know what? Let me tell you guys why I'm a little upset too. When I was trading it live, I have a recording of this. I was hovering the sell button right here. This is a 1-minute chart. I was hovering the sell button, and I was gonna close it because I was like, it's literally 2 points away. Am I really gonna get greedy? And then I was like, you know what? Let me just hold it, and then it got stop break even. Then I added here, got stop break even again, and then I was like, oh, whatever, I'll leave it. It's probably gonna hit eventually, and probably gonna miss it. 1050 macro delivered really nice. Seek and destroy model. Whoops. Since when do I trade 1R? When it makes sense to. I haven't watched One Piece now. How'd you find your bias? I was bullish because of the equal highs on ES. and just the daily power of 3 the way it was forming. I think so too. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, Harito. I mean, we'll at least keep doing this until we'll see. We can do this until we lose a trade. You always said you shouldn't take trades under 2R. Doesn't make any sense, and now all of a sudden you do it. Yeah, because you know what? First of all, the trade wasn't 2R. The reason they were both 1R trades is because I partialed and my final TP got edged. But you know what, Torg? That is one of those things, right? That is one of those things where I don't want to have to sit here and explain to you, because I know it makes sense to partial at this level. In fact, my trade management today was pretty much superb. But if I was live streaming and trading, I wouldn't have closed that, because I know the entire chat is going to be like, bro, close 1R. And I'm going to have to sit here and deal with that noise. The reason I closed 1R is because, for one, I partialed here. And if we were going to reach the final objective, it would have been a 2R trade. Instead, we got stopped break even. So we secured 1R. And then I knew, but it's not I knew. I knew if it was going to come back down here, I would look for a re-entry. So not only did I take this long, I'm going to re-enter. I'm happy taking 2 very high probability 1R trades. It's the same trade idea. It's 2 1R trades. The reason I'm breaking it up is because they're higher probability. So, like, I don't want to have to explain that live. Like, I know what I'm doing. Would I take shorts now? I'd actually probably would. I'd look for TGIF. I mean, I wouldn't take them, but I would, if I had to pick something, I wouldn't trade past 11 personally. 1RR with 1% huge funny, still much. That's not the idea. It's like I took 1R and I knew I was going to re-enter for at least another 1R. This trade would have actually been 4R, this one right here. But the reason it wasn't was because our TP got edged. You know? So it's not like I'm taking bad risk reward trades, bad setups. Yeah. How was the last 2 days? Honestly, it felt really good trading off stream. I'm not gonna lie. I had the same, took 1R. Potential lunch TJF. It's definitely possible, bro. No, you're right. I do have to be critical. I am critical. But I don't want to have to be live when I know everyone's going to be thinking that. Like, it's frustrating, you know? Do you think gold is going high today? There's liquidity above? Not today. No, not today. You ate today? I ate a little bit today. I ate a little bit. I'm still hungry, but I'm gonna have to wait till Monday. Why don't you trade live? I've been trading off live, guys. The reason I've been trading off live is because I think I can trade better off live. So far, we're 4-0 if you don't include the break evens. Daddy, I'm gonna cry. I was in a 7RR trade bottom tick and I misclicked the cancel order. W, did you trade today? I did. I took 2 wins today and 1 break even. It totaled up to 2 risk to reward, but we got edged on our final TP. Yeah, but what I think is you shouldn't do something just because your model says you should, even though you know it doesn't make sense because the market is change every minute. Feel me? But what I think is you shouldn't do something just because your model says you should. What? What pair is that, bro? This is NASDAQ. What's going on, Manny? I don't understand what you're saying, Lori. Can you re-explain? You saying I shouldn't do something because my model says I should? I don't leave it up to my model to how I manage positions. My rule is look for trade setups that can yield at least 2 risk to reward. At the end of the day, when it comes to entering a trade, I'm always going to follow my model. But listen, in my opinion, you can't be a complete robot. Like you can't. Not everything can be like if this level gets hit every single time, put your stop loss here. Like that doesn't make sense. Sometimes you just have to know how to read price, you know? And I was able to read that we're likely to get a deep retracement. So I'm happy to take the 1R and look for a re-entry for another 1R because I don't know if this leg lower is going to stop me out. In this case, it didn't, but it could have. So I'd rather just secure the 1R and then look for another 1R or just walk away with 1R. It doesn't make sense. Like, yeah, my rules say, oh, look, like, close 2R. But am I just going to ignore the fact that the logic is against my model in this case? If I said if your model says stay in the trade or anything, but the market conditions tell you something that you should partially take out. Oh, no, I agree with you, bro, 100%. P&L, we're up 400 today. Can I see your chart settings? If you want to know, just message me on, I mean, yeah, you can see them. It's kind of hard to show them all. This is the canvas. No, I agree with you, Lori. I agree with you. I don't think you can be a complete robot. I think when it comes to actually entering the trade, you should be robotic. You shouldn't be taking different setups every time because you need to know what you're looking for. It should be like boring. Like literally, I'm bored and I'm sitting here. I'm like, I'm just gonna sit here and wait. I don't think I'll take any more, but if I did, it would be shorts. I agree with you. I agree with you, Lori. That's basically what I did today, you know? And that's the thing. Like, these are kind of decisions I want to be able to make. But when I live stream and trade, bro, what the hell did this guy just... Bro, this guy in my YouTube chat, he just said, I don't personally trade because I'm low-key racist. And if I have black and white chart layout, I just hate to see black candles. Sounds weird, but it's true. Huh? Are you being real right now? Candle discrimination, bro? That can't be real, bro. How many trades you take today? It was one entry here, re-entered here, added here. So 3 trades in total. But it was basically the same trade idea, so I don't qualify. I would view this, per my rules, as one trade. Because I'm partialing and re-entering the same trade, you know? I could have just held it all the way from here. This one wouldn't have stopped me out. You know, I could have just held it. But I'm trying to partial and manage properly because I don't know. When it's sloppy like this, I'm expecting deep retracements. You did the same? Yeah, you know? As long as you're not like max risking. I didn't actually take any losses, but... So when I bought my funded, I never went short, even though I had bearish bias. I mean, black candle signaling bearish gotta be racially motivated. That's crazy work. I don't know. That's crazy. That's usually some comments you get from TikTok. What about Euro USD? There was a daily buy side liquidity. Brother, it's Friday. The weekly is basically over. We have about like 4 hours, 3 hours left. It's not going to reverse. It's very unlikely. What asset class are you trading without black candles? What's your background color? My background color is C2. I'll just show you here. This is pretty clean though, right? Seems like a lot of people like this. TGIF today? Definitely possible. Yeah, that's actually what I was looking for originally. But I had to see the buy side get taken first. Because if you're going to look for a TGIF, it needs to be from a premium, right? So... I'm done trading for today. I made some great profits. Nice, bro. Proud of you. No, it's still up. You think it will take it? Oh, your USD longs. I would look for TGIF. Did we take the... Oh, we did take the... Yeah, I mean... Yeah. Realistically, TGIF conditions are not technically there. We're not trading at a higher time frame PD array. There is SMT there. Yeah, longs. Weird SMT going on, but... Yeah, you could look for longs. I mean, these equal highs look nice. Does ES need to take that? No, it doesn't. No, it's... Yeah, we got stupid at a 5-minute FEG earlier near Tokyo and London highs too. Oh, this? Like 1040-ish? Like recently? we talking about the same thing? Yeah, yeah, that was, I guess that was the move that delivered London highs. You know, I was looking for London highs right here. I was in this trade, but yeah, this one, that one delivered 1050 macro. Yeah, it's a good thing we broke even right here because this would have stopped us. You don't think that you're racist, bro? You're definitely racist, bro. Which pair? This is Nasdaq. Boom, boom, boom. It was a super slim imbalance. Are you talking about this one? Any free trading prop firm challenges? Bro. If I was on that, I would be using that, bro. I took the reverse sweep and sold perfectly. Nice, bro. Did we get an SMT there? Oh, we got an SMT right there too. Nice. Yeah, that's really good. First presentation delivered nice today. Stops below first presentation candle. Yeah, that's really nice. If you entered on this, you really could have, like, if you trade like this, you really could have entered like this. I probably would put my stop loss here. This was the trade I literally outlined live. Like, right, as soon as we got on live, I said, I'm not going to take this because I already kind of stabbed at this long multiple times. And I feel like I don't want to chase it. I also didn't want to trade live, but you could have taken this. This is a nice order block with, and delivered nice. I'm from Kashmir, unemployment here. I might sound racist, but okay, this guy's obviously joking, bro. He's just, I don't know. That's super, that's a really good entry, man. And it's right approaching into the macro. We took 2 trades today. We ended up closing 2R. I mean, I view this as one trade, but I entered in partials multiple times. You're koala? You're so weird, bro. You're actually weird. Are GBP and USD correlated? Yes, they are, brother. I would use those 2 pairs. You can also use Euro USD and Euro futures. You see it going up? This is high of day. The thing is, shorting at the high of day is not ideal, but it could go lower. If this is your high of day, who are we to say where the high of day is going to form, you know? It could form right here. This could be your high of day right here. Do you have a course? Not really. Nice trades. It could have been better. You know, and I'm starting to think, now I don't want to be that guy who's hindsight Harry, but I'm starting to think, I think I would have taken this long at 10:45 had I not went live. You know, I'm not even joking. Because honestly, it's A+ seek and destroy. This is the best one out of all the trades I took. Actually, this one's pretty A+ too. Yeah, this is probably more A+, but this is like a. Do you enter a trade FEG below FEG or order block? Do you enter a trade in FEG? Can you not find out what's next target with the fib retracement? No. You mean trying to predict the high of day or just targets in general? No. Fib retracements will not do it for you. Not enough. Got 1 break even and 1 win. Nice, brother. And what's up, brother? Yeah, we can do a trade recap. Alright, I'm going to do a trade recap. We're going to record it together, guys. Okay, so trade recap today. We're bullish towards London highs. I was expecting a TJIF setup from this level, but I was happy taking longs to that level. I got in here and we took a partial at this level and we got a lot of wicks, so I did go break even, and then I re-entered over here off of this inversion of first presentation fair value gap. Again, we are just bullish. We had an SMT at these lows as well, so I entered here, took another partial. My final TP was London highs, but you can see we did get edge right there. Probably should have just closed it when it was that close and not looked for it exactly, knowing that there was a lot of wicking, so it's likely to be seek and destroy. Anyways, price came back down. I actually added a position here, and then I got stop break even. And then I took another trade off of this inversion, and then we got stop break even. And then we had another setup over here, which we managed to call out, but I did not trade it. But again, using the same first presentation seek and destroy model, this time inside of a macro. We ended up delivering to our target. Unfortunately, we did not get to be a participant to that final target, but we were looking for that target. We managed to close 2 1R trades. I was very nimble today because of the price action. I did not want to hold it long or keep my stop too low because there was a lot of deep retracements. So we managed to predict that correctly. Every single level, by the way, was called out in the Discord. Every single play, I even called the exact inversion fair value gap I would be taking, which was this one right here. So everything was pretty much called out. So if you want to tune in for free, I will be here. Type shit. That was a W recap, no? W recap, in my opinion. Can you show some examples of turtle soup? Yeah, sure. That red line. If you buy this red line, it's a turtle soup. Because of the SMT, because of the bias, because of the macro, because of the 5-minute bullish fair value gap, and the 5-minute order block, and because it's in discount. Can you tell us other models like your P 3 which I applied and worked that you showed yesterday? Can you tell us other models? What do you mean other models? Like other models I use? I only trade my Power 3. Good trading day for me, follow my rules, but I was low-key emotional. I'm not gonna lie, I got emotional too. When price was right here, I was like, I don't know if I was feeling the emotion that I should like just close. Can I join your group? My Discord is free. I do have a private group, but I don't really let anyone join. What's up, Shaddy? We traded today the exact same. Damn, you really like this too? For real, for real? That's freaking amazing. You didn't ask me my question on FEG or order block. Sorry, Nana. What's your question about it? Do you enter trades on FEG or below FEG? Which is order block. I don't understand your question. That's why I didn't answer. I enter on two types of ideas. I'll either enter on an order block or a breaker block. That's if I'm looking for a reversal. Or I'll enter on an inversion. That's it. 2 PD raise. 2 PD raise. I mean, sometimes I'll do the fair value gap, but usually if the fair value gap's forming, it means the CISD is there and I'll just click market buy. I don't wait for the fair value gap. Sometimes the entries are not the hard part. Like for me, I can enter it 1,000 ways. I don't really care how I enter. Also, bottom take the, that's not the profit. But last year in summer, you said to me, work hard. Now I'm here back. Thank you, brother. Damn, really? You've been here since last summer, bro? Emotions are hard to control sometimes, especially when you're close to passing an eval. For real, bro. I feel you. I don't understand what you're saying, NT spend. Does that make sense, Nana? I anchor at that inversion too. This one, 10:05, nice. Did you take full partials? Did you close fully or did you leave runners? Because I took a partial here and I was gonna close at London highs, but didn't form. I'm from Kashmir. Do you remember? I mean, I remember the word Kashmir in my chat, but I don't think I remember. You full close at 1 to 3, like just static risk to reward. So what was it like? Like something like this, or like I don't know, maybe like this or something. Yeah, I really wanted London highs. Oh, 1 to 1.3. Oh, so did you full close at this high? What made you close instead of holding to your TP? I partialed. I didn't close. I partialed. I partialed here. The reason I partialed here, because my idea was, if we're gonna take this high and retrace, I'll just look for a re-entry, you know? So I was happy looking for a re-entry. And no, that's it. That's the only reason. If there's not AMD. Remember, I'm not trading AMD. I'm trading power of 3. It's a little bit different. I mean, not really. Pretty much there's always a manipulation if you can spot it. But it's all about distribution sometimes. Sometimes I don't trade AMD. Sometimes I just trade D. Straight up. It depends. You know, it's a little bit more than just the pattern AMD. It's the same model every day. It's always there. If you find your candle open manipulation, then you can find a good high probability setup. That's good shit, Johnny. Yeah, I mean, no, I don't think I should have full closed there, but I don't know. I might release the video. Like, you guys can see me. I was literally in the video, and I'm in the trade, and I'm like hovering it. I'm like, should I just close? It's like right there. It's like it was like not flickering, but it was like dancing at this level. So I was like, should I just close it? Like it's right there. Am I really gonna get greedy for 2 points? And then I was like, I could. You know why I didn't close it? Because I couldn't decide. You guys, let me know. Let me know what you think. I couldn't decide. Am I closing this because I'm scared of not making money or I want to make money, or am I closing it because it's actually logical? You know, I didn't want to make a decision based on emotion, and I couldn't figure out what was telling me to close at this candle 10-10 because my TP was right here. I didn't know, so I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna hold it since I can't decide. Um, you guys get what I'm saying? I feel like nobody cares. I'm trading Nasdaq, brother. What is happening to me, bro? I'm crying. Can analyze any pair, then always right. That's good, no? You're number one. What's up, Matt? Appreciate you, bro. You're number one, bro. I entered the 4-hour 10 a.m. candle. We after big, the 4 a.m., 4-hour 6 a.m. candle. Nah, nice, valid idea for sure. Basically took the same thing. I looked at it differently, but basically the same thing. Basically the same thing. Second option. What? Because this actually happens quite a bit. Like, I don't know. Would you guys close here? Like, if you just saw this and you're like, whatever, let me just get out. What do you think about M5G to go long from there? I would look for shorts personally. That's just me though. I'll be in contact with you in Discord. Yeah, message me, bro. You can always message me free Discord. I've been trading off stream, brother. I've been kind of trading a little bit better off stream, so I thought I would continue trading. I'll probably keep trading off stream until I have a losing day. I had the same entry, but moved myself to the lows instead of the FG because it was PA mid for a minute. Nah, it's valid, bro. Super valid decision. It's like kind of those ones where like you kind of know it's gonna come up here, but you also know that your trade might not be the one, just because of how sloppy it is. But yeah, like I'm happy I walked away with. Listen, even just walking away with no account blown, this is frustrating, man. It's very easy if you trade. You know, it's very easy to be like, oh, I'm gonna long this inversion, hold, and then you get stop break even, and then you see this inversion, and then you take it and then you hold. I actually took this, but I broke even early. Like it's very easy to see that multiple times, and then maybe you saw this inversion and you're like, oh, long. Like it's very easy to get stuck on a bad side here. So if you manage to walk away with profits, even like a little bit loss or break even, trust me, that's good, bro. Trust me, that's good. Trust me. I used to blow my accounts on days like these. Hi, my brother. My age is 15. I'm doing trading. Am I doing correct? How do I know if you're doing it correct, bro? I don't know how you trade. I don't see how you trade. How do I join the free Discord? The link is in my bio. Just click it and click join. There's a whole bunch of free stuff in here that will help you. Well, this guy's taking a picture of his fucking lap, bro. Huh? Bro, look at it. Nah, that's great. Bro, look at this guy, bro. Look at this guy on my Discord. Damn. Nah, that's crazy, bro. This guy is fucking mad. Bro. Fucking crazy, bro. Crazy. Check Discord. Bye. What's up, bro? But is there any particular reason for today's price action? Why is it seeking destroy today? Good question. Yesterday was very large range expansion, so that's always a possibility. After there's a day with very large range expansion, it's typical that you can see seek and destroy. So, for example, this was large range expansion. You can see, and another example, this was large range expansion. Next day was a range. This was large day expansion. This day was a range. This day was large day expansion. That was a range. It kind of happens. Not every time, but it's one of the things. It's also Friday. I don't know. Maybe there's a lack of news. I don't even check the economic calendar today. I knew there was nothing too important, so that could always be a reason. A lack of important news. Oh, we actually did have red folder. Oh, we do have Trump speaking later on, so that could definitely be a part of it too. A lot of the volatility is safer when Trump speaks. So stuff like that. If that makes sense. But the way I knew it was going to be seek and destroy, well, I didn't know it was going to be seek and destroy, but I knew it was going to be sloppy, was just seeing this wick. When you see this opening range, like, it's just slow sloppy. The first 30 minutes were awful, you know? So you can't, once you see that, do you think we still retrade? Yeah, I do. In fact, we might maybe be there. I do think we do, but it's all about the timing, right? I don't know exactly when that could potentially form. It could be a lunch thing. It's not far. It's literally just sell side. Oh, I guess it is pretty far. It just kind of depends on, like, it might be when Trump speaks. It's definitely possible. You might get a 15-minute order block right here, and then that lunch 11:30 just drives lower, right? Definitely possible. This was what ideally this is what I wanted to trade today, but because of the way it formed, I knew the TJF would likely be like protracted. Wait, what are these? What are those trades? That's my trading for today, bro. Long here. I partialed. I re-entered long here. Partialed. Added right here. Stopped break even on this candle. Re-entered here. And then stopped break even. And then I was gonna look for another setup, 1050 macro, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna walk away now. And then I ended up delivering. The reason it's awful is because we just kept getting edged, you know? If it's gonna keep giving me entry opportunities towards my buy, like I'm always gonna look for re-entries. I was aiming for London highs, so any trades, yep, I mean, personally, I view this as one trade. I don't know about you guys. Maybe you guys see this as 3 different trades. But I view this as one trade. Like, it's the same trade idea. I'm just being nimble in my trade management. I'm partialing and re-entering where I think makes sense, just to get a higher probability of hitting profits, you know? What was the context for your first trade? I think that was on the 15 seconds, so give me 1 sec. It was this, and we had a SMT as well. So when I saw something on the 15 second, it confirmed to me. It's my classic model. I was following the rules of my classic model. It was something like this. Yeah, it was this SMT inside the imbalance, and then it was the breakaway gap on ES. So I entered on this candle's close. Because of the setup formed on ES for me. So I took it there. If you look at ES, it's right there. We had the CISD and the breaker on ES. You can see my second chart, right? So that's what I entered. So classic model for me. Classic AMD is what I'm saying. We accumulated, manipulated, and then I'm looking for that distribution. What was the context? Yeah, that was it. How was it for you today, mate? Could have been better. We got edge in our final TP. I would have been able to secure like 4R if it wasn't for that like edge. I got edged here, and I added here and got edged. No, I don't always look at the 15 second. I was wrong. I didn't use the 15 second here at all. I used it here, but I didn't use it here. I only look at it for one specific instance. I only use the 15 second when I'm like kind of predicting. Like I was looking for this to inverse, right? because we swept it and we're looking for longs. So I go down to the 15-second and I try and snipe an entry. And in this case, there was a 15-second breaker plus market structure shift. So I entered there. Um, yeah, basically that. So I could break even early because it's a premium entry. I don't usually like to enter in premium so you can destroy. It says tentative. Yeah, it means we don't know the time. Well, the market could just be literally going sideways until then. It's possible. But then again, when Trump speaks, anything can happen. Obviously, Trump more important than TGIF, so cautious. Still good result. I didn't receive any fund. I funded. Hope to give it to me for a month. What firm, bro? I should have given it to you already. Usually it's the day. This is the same day. What firm was it? I'm getting a haircut today though. Let me charge my phone actually. Funding pips. I'm trading forex. Damn, they didn't. You passed and they still haven't given it to you. That's like robbery, bro. You passed it this Monday. Damn, they still didn't give it to you, bro. What the hell? Fuck those guys, bro. Bro, you was funded by traders, to be honest. How much did you pay for that account? Yo, I need that indicator with the midnight go. Can you put me on? Bro, I got you. This is actually a goaded indicator. It's called ICT kill zones and pivots. You can do whatever you want. So you can go, like London, Asia. I just use Asia and London. I don't look at anything else. And I use midnight, New York, and 10. And then sometimes I'll enable 10:30 or whatever, like the other ones. It also tells you the days of the week. So you can see like the weekly power 3 on the 15-minute time frame. So pretty much accumulate early on in the week, strong manipulation Wednesday, and then you get that continuation reversal. You can see it nicely there. The hourly is probably pretty clean. Look at that AMD on the hourly, man. It's so beautiful. -1, fell short. Pretty close though. We did trade today. I took two 1 hour wins, but we it edged our final TP unfortunately. So our final TP was right here, right there. Oh, 162. That was my final TP, and I got edged right there. Recap. I'm gonna post a recap. Do you want to just wait? I'm gonna post. I can edit it right now if you want. Or actually, you know what? Let me message my editor. Hopefully, he can edit it. One sec. I already did the recap, guys. Um, I'm gonna post it. Do you guys mind waiting? I'm gonna post it on TikTok. It'll be like a minute video. All right, let's post. Actually, you know what? I know what to do. What about? Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna post it on YouTube too. Where's my up or down for what? I'd be bearish. If I had to pick, I would look for shorts, but I wouldn't trade it. It's seek and destroy. You could just look for low hanging fruit objectives. Like if we're in premium, look discount. If we're in discount, look premium. Keep your risk to reward small. Bum, 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Not the best. I had a better image. Where did it go, man? I lost it. I lost my seek and destroy image. Yes, yes, leaking all the sauce. I know. P&L is up 400 for the day. Oh, clutch. My editor can edit the trade recap, so it'll be a lot better when he does it. How was your guys? Did you guys win today? Did you guys catch dubs? You passed your funded? Nice, bro. First time or not first time? I will gladly walk away with a win, a victory here. Oh shit, which one's the trade recap? Okay, so trade recap today. We're like it was kind of choppy and didn't really move up any key levels, up 3K on the week. So I didn't inform, yeah, that's okay, bro. Today was definitely choppy. You are absolutely correct. It was definitely choppy. You would have had to be very nimble if you didn't want to blow or catch L's. So I, in hindsight, I shouldn't be annoyed that we got edge for TP. In reality, I should have just sucked it up and closed it. And I was going to, man. I really was really close to closing the trade. But I'm not gonna complain. We walked away with profits, and it's kind of just something for the journal, It's just something for the journal. Anyway, it seems like the live is slowly dying off, so I'll probably head out. I do have a haircut appointment, so I'm gonna go get my haircut. I appreciate everyone coming through. Might do a backtest stream or something on the weekend. We shall see. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. That would be absolutely amazing if we can hit that. Cool. Anyways, I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live on Monday. I'll probably not do any live trading until I get a losing day. Just want to see how long I can keep going. So once I have a losing day, I will go live trading again. Even though today was choppy with hourly time, it was PO3. No, it was 100% still PO3. Yep, exact same model I formed. You can have a range PO3 setup, You just have to be nimble. You got to be nimble. It's still power of 3. Because that if you think about it like this, if you know the candle is going to look like this, right? It's still power of 3. You can still trade it if the candle is going to look like this, right? You can still play that range. You just have to be nimble about it. So 100% power 3 still valid. Appreciate you, Sarvan. See you next time, brother. Ziad, I'll also see you next time. If you guys are not in the Discord, the link is in the description or the bio. It is completely free. Everything's in there. All my models, my books, All my calls and stuff, everything is there. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys on Monday. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you.